Hello students, I hope all of you are fine. Today I am going to teach you Logo. Logo is a programming language and today I am going to teach you Logo online. Online you can give the commands and it will execute. I have given the website link in my description box. Just ready to learn. See, this is the screen of online Logo. I have opened level 1 for you. Here are some instructions. Read it. This is a simplified version of the programming language Logo. Use it to draw shapes by moving the turtle arrow around the screen using the following commands. So this is the instruction. Logo is a programming language and it can be used to draw anything on the screen by using commands. Students, Logo programming language is for the kids so that they can understand what is programming through commands. Okay, it gives you idea how to make a program. So let's come. First command, it is FD. Its full form is forward. FD means forward. Example, FD 10 will move the turtle forward 10 steps. Okay, now do the practical. I'm here going to type the command FD. How many steps? 10 steps. Now see, now this turtle moves 10 steps forward. Okay, now next command is BK. BK means backward. Example, BK 5 will move the turtle backward 5 steps. Now write the command BK. BK, how many steps? 5 steps. See, turtle came back 5 steps backward. Next command is RT, right turn. Example, RT 90 will turn the turtle 90 degree to the right. Okay, RT, right turn. How many degree? 90. So see, now turtle moves or turns 90 degree. Okay. Now turtle is turned 90 degree. Now you can use FD command for forward. Now again I am using FD10. See what happens? FD10. See. Okay. Now again I am using BK command. BK is for backward. BK, but not 5 steps. I am giving 10 steps backward. Okay, 10. Again I am giving BK 10. See, now our turtle is again back 10 steps. Okay, so you have understood 3 major commands. FD means forward, BK means backward, RT means right turn, and you can change the value also. See, we have used 90 degree for right turn. You can change its value. See, now right turn 90. See, okay, again FD 10 steps. Okay, now I use RT, right turn, but not this time 90. I am using 45. See, now turtle is 45 degree right turn. Now FD 10. Now turtle moves like this. I think now it is very clear to you. FD, BK and RT. Next command is LT. LT means left turn. Example, LT 45 will turn the turtle 45 degree to the left. See, LT how many? 45. See, 45. Again FD5. Then LT left turn. How many degree? Suppose 90 degree. Then FD 20. Like that you can do the practice. है ना. Again LT, left turn 30 degree this type, then FD 30. Oh, now it is out of the screen. Then BK 20. Now turtle will come back. Okay. So I think you have understood RT and LT. It is simple. RT means right turn, LT means left turn. Now CT means center turtle. You know, in the beginning of the program, turtle was on the center position. So how you can bring the turtle on center position? There is a command CT, center turtle. See, I write the command CT, center turtle. See, again turtle comes on the center of the screen. Okay. CS, clear screen. Suppose you want to erase the drawing, then there is a command CS, clear screen. CS, clear screen. See, your all drawing is erased from the screen. Next command is PU, pen up. The turtle can move without drawing a line. Okay, you want to move the turtle without drawing the line, then what command you can use? Pen up. Pen up means it will not draw any line. See, PU, pen up. Now FD 10, turtle is moving and it is not drawing any line. Okay, then BK 30, turtle is moving, not drawing any line. Okay, you can move the turtle without drawing any line. Then FD 20, turtle is moving without any line. Okay, again if you want to draw the line, you need to pen down. PD means pen down. PD. Okay, PD. Now you draw. FD 10. Now again is drawing. Okay, if you don't draw anything, you can do pen up. And again if you want to draw, you can do pen down. Okay, I make it more clear to you. Suppose I do pen up. Okay, then RT 90 and FD 10. Okay, now turtle is not drawing anything. Okay, turtle is not drawing anything. Then again LT 90, then FD 10. See, okay, then RT 90, then again RT 90, then FD 20. It is not drawing anything now. So if you want to draw, then what you have to do? You have to pen down. PD. Then give the command FD5. Now again it is started drawing. Now I think it is very clear to you. FD, BK, RT, LT, CT, CS, PU, PD. And next most important command is repeat. I want to make it clear, repeat command, but before that I want to clear the screen. And for the clear the screen, which command is there? CS. CS means clear screen. Now screen is clear and turtle comes on the center. Okay, then repeat. Then repeat command. Repeat command. Okay, see, I type repeat 4 FD10, okay, FD10 and RT90, RT90, and bracket is closed. See, what is the meaning of this command? Repeat 4 means the command what is written inside the square bracket, it should be repeated 4 times. Okay, FD10 means this turtle move 10 steps forward, then turtle will turn right side. Okay, see, turtle will come, direction of the turtle should be right. One command completed. Then FD10 again, turtle will come here, then RT, turtle will turn this side, then again FD 10 steps, then turtle turn this side, then again 10 steps. It means FD10 4 times means it will draw 10 line segment of 10 steps. Okay, and 4 times 90 degree, first 90 degree, second 90 degree, third 90 degree, and fourth 90 degree. It means it will make a square. Okay, because all the sides are same 10 steps, so it will make a square. I execute the command. See, so repeat 4 FD 10 RT90 will make a square. Okay, now I make the clear screen. Next command is PC. PC means pen color. By default it was drawing in black color, but you can change the color. Okay, so PC means pen color. 1 means black, 1 means black, 2 means blue. 0 means black, 1 means blue, 2 means red. So I want to make it blue, so I can do PC1. Now pen color is changed, but how will you know that pen is already changed? Okay, now FD10. See, pen color is changed, it is blue. Now again I am changing pen color. PC2 means red color. Then see, FD10, pen color becomes red. Okay, now BK10. Again if I want to make blue color, then PC1, it becomes blue color. RT90, then FD10. See, again it becomes blue color. So I think you have understood, you have learned online logo, how to execute these commands. Children, you need to do practice in your home. You can learn online logo in your home. It will be helpful to learn programming. So I request you subscribe this channel so that when I upload this coding video, so you can get the notification quickly. So subscribe this channel and like the video, so every time when I post the video related to programming, you will get the notification. And share this video to your friends, relatives, so that they can learn coding classes free of cost. So thank you all of you for attending my class, watching my class. And what is your opinion? If you have any doubts, if you want to ask anything, and if you want video in any other topic, just write the comment. I will make the video for you on that particular topic. Thank you very much. Bye bye.